So if you think about the veterinary practice today, you've got two stressors from both sides. You have, on the one hand, pet owners who have very high expectations of the veterinary practice today. They want results faster, they want high standards of care, and they want cost-effective care as well. And then on the veterinary clinic side, there's challenges with managing a really busy practice. You have lack of trained staff and high turnover. Across both sides, you have high expectations and challenges in the practice. And that's where we see the role of innovation, right? How can we bring better technology that improves the experience of the veterinarian, the vet staff, the pet owner, but then also drive standards of care higher? More accurate analyzers, of course, better medicines, and better tools to improve the workflow. So the scope of innovation for the veterinary practice has never been higher. And at Zoetis Diagnostics, we're really thrilled to be the innovative leaders in driving this innovation. The Zoetis Diagnostics organization really started with the Abaxis acquisition in 2018 when we brought a historically point-of-care company. And interestingly enough, I joined Zoetis at that time as well in 2018, around that same time. And for us, it's been a really fascinating and fulfilling journey because we wanted to make sure that we had a very unique position in the marketplace, right? We wanted to know what was Zoetis' role in the diagnostic segment. Why did we enter the space in the first place? And what was very clear for us at that time was we needed to lead with the customer in the center, but then also improve and innovate for that customer, the veterinarian and the staff. And so in the 7 years that we've been in this segment, we've really led the way with pioneering innovation, whether it's AI-driven analyzers like the Vetscan Imagyst, Vetscan OptiCell, or also trying to bring more expertise into the practice. So not just analyzers, but also support and bringing the right caliber of expertise, whether it's an internal medicine specialist or a dermatologist or whatever it might be, because the goal for us is to improve the experience around diagnostics and to elevate the care with diagnostics in mind. The role of AI in veterinary medicine is really critical for us to bridge that gap that I mentioned earlier between a pet owner that expects more and a veterinary staff that has challenges to address within the practice as well. So the scope for AI is very, very high. But we have to design it in the way that is appropriate for veterinary medicine, that respects the quality and confidence that our staff and pet owners expect from a technology like AI. And so anything that we build, whether it's the Vetscan Imagyst platform or the Vetscan OptiCell hematology platform, both of which have AI critical to at the center of these technologies, we've tried to design it with a few things in mind. The first is we have published a lot of data. So we are very transparent with how do we train the AI, what's the results of the AI, and how does it conform to reference standards. So there's a degree of transparency that we're trying to lead with. The second component is we know AI is an excellent tool, but there are situations where there are limits to AI as well. So we also want to offer the human expertise as a solution that is embedded into the AI experience. So we also ensure that every AI algorithm or result that we provide, there's an expert that can also review those results, that can confirm the results. It might be a very tough case where you want a second opinion. That is available. So we really are very thoughtful about the role of AI because we know the potential is significant. We need to thoughtfully make sure that this is adopted in the right way. And we're proud of the way that we've brought AI to market. That's why we're seeing the success, is our customers see that too. Our goal is to keep the innovation journey going. As you can see, we've come a long way in the last 5 years with pioneering innovation, whether it's again in the digital microscope, the Vetscan Imagyst, the Vetscan OptiCell. So we're not stopping there. We just see that there's enormous potential to innovate The unmet needs are really strong right now. We hear from customers that they need better innovation so that they can be more productive, they can serve more patients with the right, in a sustainable way that drives the right experience. So we are really confident that we're just getting started.